I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Passwords to access saved login entries. You will see a list of accounts and websites stored by iCloud Keychain. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode to view passwords. Each entry shows the account name, username, and a hidden password field. Use the search field to find an account by name or domain quickly. Tap any entry to reveal the password, copy it, or edit stored details for accuracy and security. Tap an entry to reveal the password and related login details. The entry screen shows username, password, website, and creation notes if available. Edit usernames, passwords, or delete entries directly from the entry screen using the Edit button. Use the share sheet to copy or securely transfer a password when needed for your other devices. Check the Security Recommendations section for weak or reused passwords, flagged with clear guidance to update any compromised credentials promptly. Enable iCloud Keychain to sync passwords across Apple devices automatically. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle Keychain on. Turn on Autofill Passwords in Settings to fill logins in apps in Safari without typing. Select iCloud Keychain or third-party managers like 1Password if you prefer. Check Security Recommendations to find weak or breached passwords flagged by iOS. Regularly update any highlighted passwords and enable two-factor authentication for accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.